Hi everyone, this is NK and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely hit the subscribe button down below so you keep up with all the fun shenanigans that I post on a day-to-day basis, as well as tips, tricks, lifestyle, fashion, all of the above I feature on my channel. Today, I'm really excited. I'm gonna go into the city center and take some photos for Instagram. So I'm going to shoot 5 to 6 looks. I'm batch shooting, which honestly, batch shooting is amazing for anyone who's an aspiring content creator or influencer. Batch creating is your best friend because it truly means that you are being focused for 2 to 3 hours in that day, shooting looks, and you already pre-plan your looks, you pre-plan the location, you go shoot, and then you're done. And then you just edit all the pictures at one time and schedule them out for the rest of the week. So that's what I'm doing. I am excited because the area that I'm going is just really beautiful. City center in San Francisco is gorgeous, has a lot of great scenic locations and just really nice, beautiful walls that are perfect for shooting. Actually shooting a lot of darker looks, meaning like the color palette, a lot of blacks, like a lot of black with hints of white. But then I want to also shoot tomorrow, so stay tuned to see if I actually shoot tomorrow. I do want to. And then tomorrow, like I want to do more neutral, like lighter, earthy tones so that I can just have a variety to choose from and disperse throughout my channel or my page. That's what's going on right now. I'm currently getting ready. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm just put on my foundation. I'm gonna do my hair, finish my makeup. I already packed all of my stuff. Let me show you guys that. 2 bags whenever I shoot. I bring a bag full of props and shoes and like all my important stuff like my keys and wallet and stuff. And then this has all the clothing in it. This is my new little jewelry box that I just got yesterday. So I'm glad that now I can have it in a really secure little box. I have a water bottle. I'm also gonna pack snacks because you never know. I'm also gonna eat before I leave, eat breakfast. Then I have my tripod. And like I said, I am getting ready right now. So have my makeup here, but I'm gonna pack some makeup. Here is the first look. So I'm gonna wear a white dress and then I'm gonna put the black leather blazer over it. I'm gonna wear my Vans for, you know, easy walking. And then, yeah, I'm gonna straighten my hair very soon. I'm drinking my iced coffee. We are working it. We are gonna do it. I'm super excited to get back out and shoot. I do try to go once a week to shoot, and then, you know, we'll see how much we do today, which will determine what we do tomorrow, but I'm looking forward to taking you guys along with me. So stay tuned to see the location. Hello everybody. So I'm at location number 1, which is City Hall. I'm actually gonna shoot most of my looks here in the grounds here because there's so many beautiful walls just like this one right behind me. I am in my first outfit. I decided to wear a beret because it just looks cute. I think it's giving Emily in Paris. I am happy about how they turned out. I will put my camera down so you'll see how I shoot because a lot of people ask about that on Instagram, and it's really just I have a tripod and then I use Lens Buddy and then I time them so that they obviously all come out the same way. So let me put you on there now and then we will figure out how to do it step by step together. In terms of the camera settings, I put on Lens Buddy. I set it for 25 shots per round, just so that I can move around, and it's really easy to like do multiple poses in that way. And then for close-up shots, I put my tripod to hip height, and then for full body I just stand further back and put it all the way up. So it works out really well, and I will show you a little bit more later. Hey, hello everybody. I just got done shooting 6 looks total, which is so many. It's one of the highest amount that I've ever done in one go, and I also did it in 2.5 hours, which I'm really proud of. I was pretty organized, which is always what you want to be when you're batch shooting. Right now I am on the busiest street in San Francisco. I will show you guys when I turn you guys around, but this is Van Ness, and this is where City Center is and all the big political buildings. And this is where I shot. Oh gosh, it's so loud, but I shot around here, and this is my 6th look. It is the Revolve bodysuit, this is a corset, Revolve corset, Zara leather pants, and then I have my Mark Fisher pointed boots. This is the Express oversized boyfriend blazer. I did a lot today. It's also, now it's cold. It was pretty warm when I got here. Now it's cold and I'm ready to go home. But I'm really proud of myself that I stuck with it and did all the stuff. So this is the tripod. I have it linked literally everywhere in my Instagram, in my blog. If you want it, you can go look for it over there. Successful day of batch shooting, and I'll probably do some tomorrow. We'll see. It is such a windy day in San Francisco right now. I just packed up to head on home, but look at all the stuff I have, guys. Like, one bag, oh gosh, one bag, 2 bags, and then my portable changing room. Again, also in my blog. I could also link it down below too, but this is a game changer for sure. All this stuff is so heavy, but I do it because I love it. Also, very big side note, this jacket is probably one of the best purchases I've ever made. I bought it for an East Coast trip, which it was great for that. And even in San Francisco, it's not hot here, so it's really nice to have a big jacket. It's pretty windy right now. So like I said, I'm still in the Van Ness area, walking to the bus to go home. I cannot wait to eat. San Francisco definitely tricks you because right now you see it's all sunny. However, it's pretty windy. Anyways, claw clips are a girl's best friend. Like, I can see it. I'm wearing a claw clip, and I forgot that I brought it for the shoot, but I didn't have a hair tie, and I was like, I need to put my hair up, and saves lives. I'm just gonna sit and wait for the bus to come. The bus stop is like right in front of me, but I decided I want to sit, especially because I have all this stuff. Keep on showing all the stuff, but it's pretty heavy, so I need to sit and relax. I think I will end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this day in the life. Batch shooting is really fun. It is exhausting, but really rewarding and fun. I love it. I love just the achievement of just getting so much done in a short period of time. Other than that, stay tuned for my next video. I think after today I was thinking, people might want to see like what I bring and like what goes into planning batch shooting. So I would love to do a video about that. I think I will. So stay tuned for that, and we will talk next time. Going to the bus. Okay, bye.